Are you looking for a solar garden light that is powerful, stable, and extremely easy to install without drilling or wiring? Hi, my name is Steve. I'm from Runwin Lighting, a light manufacturing company based in China with over 20 years of experience. Today, I'm excited to introduce our newest model, the solar garden light with a mobile tank. What makes this product different? This product was created to solve the biggest problem in the garden and landscape lighting. Most garden lights require digging, drilling, or running cables underground, which increases labor time and project costs. But with our solar garden light with mobile water tank, installation takes just a few minutes. You receive one complete set: the lamp, the head pole, and the tank. The total height is 2 meters, and you simply place it where you want it. No electrician is needed, no wiring, no damage to the landscape. The water tank makes the model very different from traditional garden light. You can fill the tank with 23 liters of water and 30 kilograms of sand, depending on your needs. This gives the light excellent stability. This makes it perfect for hotels, parks, outdoor cafés, temporary events, and campsites. Even with the easy installation, the lighting performance is strong, up to 2,800 lumens. It features 360 color, 6500K, 4000K, and 3000K, allowing users to switch between cool white, neutral white, and warm white depending on the environment. The precise PIR sensor detects movement and increases the brightness automatically for extra security and energy saving. A battery charging indicator allows users, especially property management, to instantly check the charging status and to make everything even easier. The light also comes with a remote control. With the remote control, users can adjust the brightness level, the working mode, CCT color temperature, timer option. No need to touch the lamp, everything can be controlled from the ground. The LED lights are powered by a 20 mAh 3.7 volt lithium battery pack that is capable of providing 2 full nights on a single charge. The case itself is made up of ABS plus housing material. The charging time goes from 4 to 6 hours. If you're a distributor, wholesaler, or contractor, or a project buyer, this model is designed to help you win orders faster. If you're into the lighting business and you would like to test and distribute or customize this solar garden light, leave a comment and contact us directly. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.